Good morning, Mighty Bulldogs. This is Miss Malukas with your morning announcements on this terrific Tuesday, November the 10th. Today is an A day. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Please remain standing or just silent and respectful for a moment of silence. Thanks, guys. On to the birthdays. There are no student or staff birthdays to announce today, but there are birthdays in the world. Today is Tracy Morgan's birthday, comedian and actor, Sinbad's birthday, and then Ellen Pompeo's birthday from Grey's Anatomy. More with the election, it's still a topic of conversation, as it should be. No changes. Nothing new. This is still what you'll see from various news sources if you search. Which still makes this the most likely outcome for our nation. For this day in history, November 10th. On November 10th, 1969, Sesame Street, a pioneering TV show that would teach generations of young children the alphabet and how to count, makes its broadcast debut. Sesame Street, with its memorable theme song, "Can You Tell Me How to Get to Sesame Street?" went on to become the most widely viewed children's program in the world. It is aired in more than 120 countries. The show was the brainchild of Joan Gaines Cooney, a former documentary producer for public television. Cooney's goal was to create programming for preschoolers that was both entertaining and educational. She also wanted to use TV as a way to help underprivileged 3 to 5-year-olds prepare for kindergarten. Sesame Street was set in a fictional New York neighborhood and included ethnically diverse characters and positive social messages. Taking a cue from Rowan and Martin's Laugh-In, a popular 1960s variety show, Sesame Street was built around short, often funny segments featuring puppets, animation, and live actors. This format was hugely successful, although over the years, some critics have blamed the show and its use of brief segments for shrinking children's attention spans. From the show's inception, one of its most loved aspects has been a family of puppets known as Muppets. Joan hired puppeteer Jim Henson to create a cast of characters that became Sesame Street's institution, including Bert and Ernie, Cookie Monster, Oscar the Grouch, Grover, and of course, Big Bird. The subjects tackled by Sesame Street have evolved with the times. In 2002, the South African version of the program, Takalani Sesame, introduced a 5-year-old Muppet character named Cammy, who is HIV positive, in order to help children living with the stigma of a disease that has reached epidemic proportions. In 2006, a new Muppet, Abby Cadabby, made her debut and was positioned as the show's first female star character, in an effort to encourage diversity and provide a strong role model for girls. In May 2019, a Muppet character whose mother is battling addiction was introduced, acquainting kids with the opioid crisis. Since its inception, over 80 million Americans have watched Sesame Street. Hey, this is something new. This goes out to middle school students only, and it's an AR challenge. The homeroom in each grade level with the most growth in word count from today until November 30th wins a prize. We did this challenge last month. We did the most word count total, the highest word count total for homerooms, and you guys got pizza. This time, it's a fresh start for everyone from where your homeroom is at now to where you finish on November 30th. Whoever has the most growth, you guys get Raising Cane's. So today is November 10th. You have until the 30th get started. Let's get reading, guys. Talk to Miss Tate for more details. Remember your AR goals. You guys should be reading every day. Your quiz average should be 80% or higher. Your goal is for every scholar to become a word master, which means you need 425,000 words, and AR attendance is not optional. Go to class, guys. Here's the high school schedule. This is not new. Pause if you need more info. IDEA is a great place to go to school. If you know someone looking, share this info. Attendance, it's not optional. Come to school. Remind your friends to come to school. It is a big deal. Come to school. Wear your mask. No news, nothing new here. If you have questions, please text us at 512-814-5326 during normal school hours. And Bulldogs are determined, optimistic, generous, and strong. If no one else tells you today, please remember that we love you, believe in you, and always will. Have fun with Move This World. You guys are great. Have a great day.